In this section of the course, we'll be covering the application DriverMax to back up and restore our system drivers. Now, being the responsible IT administrator that you are, I'm pretty sure you've already backed up all standard laptop drivers to a company share, just in case you have to wipe out a system due to maybe a virus or corruption and you need to reload drivers. I don't want to say downloading drivers from the website as if we're in 2002 is a problem, but there has to be an easier way to back up and restore drivers nowadays. Now, the application that we're going to be covering is called DriverMax. I've used this application for many years, and it's very good to back up the system drivers almost exactly as they're placed in Device Manager. Now, that's what really matters. I've seen a lot of different driver backing up softwares out there that didn't really do that, or I ran across problems with, but DriverMax have always kind of saved me out of a bind. So let's go ahead and run the application. I'm going to double click it. Now, on the in the beginning of the splash screen, you see some system information you may need, the amount of gigs, the amount of system storage that you have, which version, the free version, and also the different columns at the top. But what we want to select is backup. I'm going to select create a driver backup archive. As you see in the footnote, it says backups contain only specific drivers that you selected. You will be able to restore one or all of them. So I'm going to click next. Now here you see the system lists the basically all the drivers that are listed in Device Manager. Let's go ahead and take a look at that and do a small comparison. I'm going to click Start and type Device and then select Device Manager. Now we do have a few drivers here that are listed, like the Ethernet card here, a few others, monitor, display, and the USB, just a lot of the basic system standards. So that's what we want to go ahead and back up. We want to select all drivers and click backup. Now here's where the system is actually going in and making you copies of these drivers that's installed. So this is a very easy way that you can use in your daily administration to keep a very easy backup of your system standards throughout the company. Also within print drivers as well. If you have drivers installed that work somewhere and you want to move them over to a print server, that way when you join the network and map the print share, the users can just double click and install the printers. So we see that the operation completed. I'm going to go ahead and click Open Backup Folder. And we see we have a backup of our drivers. We have USB, net, mouse, media, and so forth. Now we can also restore our drivers. So let's go ahead and simulate a missing driver. Let's just say it's the network card. I'm going to go ahead and uninstall that. So now the user contacts you and say, hey, for some reason I can't connect to the network. You say, what do you mean? Well, I came into work this morning and there's no internet connection. You do all your basic troubleshooting and you realize the network driver is missing. Now, as I stated before, being the responsible IT administrator that you are, you've already backed up these system drivers. So now at this point, all we need to do is restore the drivers. So we move the drivers over to the system, open DriverMax, and then restore from a previously created backup. I'm going to click Next, and I'm going to scroll down and search for the network card. See if we can find it somewhere in here. There it is, desktop adapter. I'm going to click Next, and you see it's restoring the desktop adapter. And restore operation has been completed. So I'm going to come back over to Device Manager, right click on any of the drivers, select Scan New Devices, we see installing, and we see it's here in Device Manager. Sometimes the system may say that it failed, but it just through maybe timing. But we see within Device Manager, we actually do have the network card here. So this is a very good application that I think every IT administrator should have when it comes to backups. That's why I chose this class to put it in. So I hope this entire course helped you guys. I hope you guys can visit our website, ComputerCavalry.com. Leave a comment, tell your friends about it. When you sign in, you'll be able to watch our videos for free. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you again in our next class.